Hi guys, if you are getting Unarc.dll error message while installing heavy games, it's usually due to insufficient system memory. To fix this issue, try some basic steps to free up your system memory. Clean up Windows cache. Press the Windows key, tap Disk Cleanup, and open it as an administrator. Select the drive where Windows is installed. By default, it is the C drive. Click OK. The disk cleanup tool will take some time to calculate how much space can be freed. Select all the options except the recycle bin, as it may contain important files that you might need to restore later. However, if your recycle bin is full of unnecessary files, you can select it as well. Click OK, then click Delete Files to confirm. Wait for the cleanup process to complete. Once finished, proceed to the next step. Delete temporary files. Press Windows plus R key button together and type this command and press the Enter button. Now select all files and delete them. Change virtual memory. Click Windows key and type Ctrl to open the control panel. Open the system settings. Go to Advanced System Settings. Under the Performance, click on Settings. Go to Advanced tab. Under the Virtual Memory, click on Change. Unselect the Automatically Manage Paging file size for all drive. Select C drive where Windows is installed. Now select Custom Size. Enter 100 value in the initial size and 4000 value for the maximum size. Click on Set, Yes, click on OK, click on Apply and OK. Now restart your PC and try again to download your game. Your problem should be resolved now. Stay safe.